Hi everyone, my name is Rui, and this video is kind of an introduction to trending. I'm going to go over some of the basics on how you can consume trending information on your DataMiner system. DataMiner Trending gives you a graphic interface to view and manipulate trend data logged by the system. You can access them by drilling down on a parameter. In this case, I'm going to look at our available servers. We have two available on this rack. I'm picking the Windows machine and look at the total processor load metric. This is a trending graph. Just so you know, you can also check on reports expressed in the details tab, as well as a histogram and alarm templating information. But moving on. Trending is only activated for a selection of parameters for which it makes sense to keep trending data. Typically, this is configured by the administrator in the trending template. So let us go and find the trending template for the Windows machine we're looking at. You can use different trending techniques. Real-time trending will log all measurements for a given sliding window, for example, 24 or 48 hours, that you can also define. As an administrator, you can set these things on the System Center, System Settings, and Time to Live. Average will log the average measurements across longer time spans. Similarly, you can define these values in the settings. For example, keep 1 minute averages for 31 days, 1 hour averages for 1 year. You get the point. Also worth mentioning that for average trending, DataMiner not only stores the average value for a particular time slot, but also the minimum and maximum value detected in that same time slot. Going back to the graph. Initially, the last 24 hours are loaded in the main graph and the past week is loaded in the preview graph. You can switch between the different preset time spans with the buttons on the top right. Here, week to date, month to date. You can also customize the time spans if you want. You can expand the graph here, hiding the other UI elements. There is an alarm bar at the bottom so that you can see the times when the metric generated alarms. Graphs are automatically updated with new trend data, so leaving a trend graph open for a long time will still always show the trending up to that current moment in time. You can zoom in on a region by right-clicking and dragging across the region you want to zoom into. You can move the handles in the preview bar to reduce or enlarge the current view. You can also use the mouse wheel or use the plus and minus keys. When you zoom in, more detail is added to the graph, up until real-time measurements, if available. You can press and hold the left mouse button on the main graph to pan around. You can also do it with the arrow keys, assuming the focus is on the graph. Other than that, you can click and drag the preview pane to pan around the current view too. This here is the trend prediction. It shows how trends are likely to evolve in the future based on AI. I am linking our augmented operation demo video down below, so make sure to check that out. This can assume predictions for the short, mid, and long term. You can select the range manually or select auto to have it switch automatically as you zoom in and out. If one of the prediction ranges is not available, you can hover the mouse pointer over the warning icon to get more details. Pattern matching, again, this is covered in our augmented operations video, but the idea is that you can select an area of a graph to tag it, and if similar patterns emerge at any other points in a graph, these will be highlighted in orange automatically. So these were the basics of DataMiner Trending. We have tons of additional information on our Open Dojo platform, so go out there and check out our DataMiner Operator course for more in-depth material on trending. Don't forget to register. This is all I got for you for now. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.